Hello and welcome to another video of Wisefuss. Today in this part 2 of Midjourney tips and tricks video, we are going to embark on a journey through the world of Midjourney, sharing valuable tips and tricks that will help you level up your Midjourney game, whether you are just starting or looking to take your skills to the next level. So let's dive in. Tip number 17. Midjourney tip number 17 suggests using collective nouns for more specific results. Instead of merely stating what you want, using collective nouns like a pack of wolves helps Midjourney understand your request better. Tip number 18. Midjourney tip number 18 advises using specific numbers instead of plural words. Be precise in your requests by specifying quantities, which helps Midjourney generate accurate results. Tip number 19. Midjourney tip number 19 mentions the importance of mentioning desired camera settings. If you want your generated images to mimic real-world photography, specifying camera parameters like focal length and aperture can be crucial. Tip number 20. Midjourney tip number 20 is all about removing unnecessary filler words from your prompts. Trim down your requests to the essential elements to improve the accuracy of your generated images. Tip number 21. Midjourney tip number 21 reminds us that Midjourney doesn't interpret punctuation marks, so you can skip using them in your prompts. Tip number 22. Midjourney tip number 22 emphasizes that capitalization doesn't matter within Midjourney prompts, so you can use uppercase or lowercase letters as you prefer. Tip number 23. Midjourney tip number 23 focuses on specifying what you want in your prompts instead of what you don't want. This helps Midjourney better understand your desires. Tip number 24. Midjourney tip number 24 suggests using emojis for a quick and fun prompt. While this may not generate complex images, it can be a playful way to experiment with Midjourney. Tip number 25. Midjourney tip number 25 encourages combining multiple prompts for more complex image generation. You can mix and match prompts to create unique and creative artwork. Tip number 26. Midjourney tip number 26 is all about trying out different model versions. Midjourney offers various model versions, each with its unique strengths and capabilities. Experiment with different models to achieve the results you want. Tip number 27. Midjourney tip number 27 advises using the Reimagined by Midjourney option for added creativity. This parameter allows Midjourney to take more artistic liberties in generating your images. Tip number 28. Midjourney tip number 28 suggests using the magic parameter for surprising results. Adding magic to your prompts let Midjourney take creative leaps, leading to unexpected and intriguing outcomes. Tip number 29. Midjourney tip number 29 highlights the importance of iteration. Don't be afraid to refine and iterate on your prompts and generated images. The more you experiment, the better you'll become. Tip number 30. Midjourney tip number 30 is to explore the Midjourney community. Join forums, Discord servers, and social media groups dedicated to Midjourney to learn from others, share your work, and discover new techniques. Tip number 31. Midjourney tip number 31 is to give credit when sharing your generated images. If you are posting your Midjourney creation online, be sure to credit Midjourney for the art generation. Tip number 32, and finally Midjourney tip number 32, is to have fun and embrace the unexpected. Midjourney is a powerful tool for creativity, so don't be afraid to experiment and enjoy the process of creating unique artwork. That wraps up our 32 Midjourney tips for beginners video series. I hope you found these tips helpful on your Midjourney journey. Remember, the more you practice and experiment, the more skilled you'll become in generating AI stunning artworks. If you have any questions or additional tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy Midjourneying!